Hi guys. We had a discussion regarding the points of difference between an entrepreneur and a businessman. Today, again I am going to visit Rahul Bhai. He is business partner of my elder brother and his college friend. He has called me for a catch up at Starbucks. He is also very senior in business and became successful in building a great platform for youngsters to work on. So, let's go. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, so that you can get the notifications of the video uploaded on my channel at the right time.
Hi Sujit, how are you? Sunil was working on something important, so he sent me to meet you. Tell me, what are the problems you are facing?
Actually, I had a discussion with Sunil Bhai in my last meeting. Bhai was telling me about the differences between entrepreneurs and businessmen. I want to know more about it. So far I understood a few differences. Like they do perform time leverage. Also, they solve the biggest problems of the society with their creative mind in an easy way.
Yes, you are right, they never give up unless and until they accomplish their goals. They make the best use of human resource.
Bhai, what about Jeff Bezos? He is an entrepreneur or a businessman?
Jeff Bezos is an entrepreneur. Because his ideas are innovative. No one has ever thought of an online store that could sell everything. He first got this idea. Not only that, he is now the richest person on earth. His wealth is around $193 billion. So he has converted his dream into reality. This was possible because he is customer obsessed during his entire journey process.
But what about the businessman?
A businessman only cares about the profit. So his services are profit oriented. Whenever he is providing any service, he tries to keep the costs high, so that he could generate much more profit than ever before.
So, why do the entrepreneurs are the richest, while these businessmen are not so rich? The case should be opposite, right?
No, the entrepreneurs are richer than the businessmen, because they provide the best goods and services at the level of comfort to their customer. Okay, just tell me one thing. The goods and services that are provided by Amazon is also available in small local shops, right? But you will find that people prefer Amazon above all other small business owners, as customer-oriented approach of Amazon makes it more reliable.
Okay. Yes, I also do shop everything at Amazon. They provide great customer experience. So customer experience is so very essential.
Yes, customer experience is the most important factor. So while making any goods or any service, one should think customer is the king. Then only you will be able to understand their problems. As entrepreneurship is all about solving the biggest problems of the society in a simple way to create a global impact.
Okay, now I understood why it is so important to know the problems of your customers.
Yes, an entrepreneur is a market leader and has the capability to take high risk, as most of the time he experiences failures in his journey. But he learns from his failures and grows himself. On the other hand, a businessman takes only calculated risks in order to avoid loss or failure, while an entrepreneur has mastered the failures along his journey.
Okay, that's why he is market leader. Now, I get it.
That's why entrepreneurs do not expect anything from others. They are proud individuals, while a businessman works according to the resources that are available to him. And so his focus is not on the problems of his customers but on making profit. This makes entrepreneurs totally different from businessmen. I hope you get the idea.
It was an awesome learning. I had never seen this side of entrepreneurs. Really, they are great.
Okay, now it's time to meet Sunil. He may be waiting for me, so I should take a leave now.
Yes, thank you so much, Bhai, for sharing the awesome learning.
Yes, you are always welcome.
I hope you may have understood so far the main qualities of an entrepreneur. You may be eagerly waiting for our next session. We will be learning something great in our next session on entrepreneurship. Till then, keep learning and innovating. See ya.